Welcome back, audiophiles. Today, we're diving deep into the world of high-fidelity audio with a review of the KEF LSX II LT wireless hi-fi speakers. Drawing upon over 60 years of experience in acoustic excellence, KEF is renowned for making high-fidelity sound accessible to everyone. The LSX II LT embodies this mission, presenting a streamlined version of the award-winning LSX II. Let's get started and see if these speakers live up to the hype. First things first, let's unbox these beauties. As expected from KEF, the packaging is sleek and secure, ensuring the speakers arrive in perfect condition. Inside, we have the LSX II LT speakers, power cables, a high-quality USB-C cable, and some documentation to help you get started. The design by Michael Young is immediately impressive. Available in 3 contemporary finishes, graphite gray, stone white, and sage green, these speakers are crafted to complement any modern aesthetic. The satin matte and tone-on-tone finishes contribute to a refined look that's both sleek and stylish. Setting up the LSX II LT is a breeze. The KEF Connect app guides you through the process step by step, making it incredibly user-friendly. The app also lets you stream from services like Amazon Music, Qobuz, Tidal, Deezer, and more. For Apple users, AirPlay 2 is supported, and Google Chromecast is available for Android devices. Bluetooth expands the options even further. Alongside wireless options, the LSX II LT boasts extensive wired connections, including HDMI ARC for TV control and a high-quality USB-C input for desktop use. There's also an optical input for CD players and game consoles, and a dedicated subwoofer output for extra bass. Now, let's talk about what really matters, the sound quality. Each LSX II LT speaker uses KEF's 11th generation Uni-Q driver array. This technology places the tweeter at the precise acoustic center of the woofer, creating a point source that delivers natural, accurate sound reproduction. With a combined 200 watts of system power and dedicated amplifiers for both the tweeter and woofer, these speakers deliver room-filling sound from their compact cabinets. The Music Integrity Engine enhances this performance with bespoke digital signal processing algorithms, ensuring perfectly timed and detailed sound. The KEF Connect app not only helps with setup but also offers intuitive controls for playback navigation and sound settings. You can adjust the room EQ DSP to fine-tune the speakers to your room's acoustics and your personal taste. Features like volume settings, sensitivity adjustments, and source selection make it easy to get the best possible performance. And for those who want to add a subwoofer, the app includes presets for seamless integration. Michael Young's design is truly something to behold. The LSX II LT is not just about delivering pristine sound but also about looking great while doing it. Every aspect of these speakers, from the elegant rear panel to the color-matched finishes on the Uni-Q driver and ports, is carefully considered. Whether you choose graphite gray, stone white, or sage green, these speakers will blend seamlessly into any modern decor. Plus, they come with mounting inserts for secure placement on the P1 desk pad or S1 floor stand, giving you versatility in how you set them up. Now, let's see what some customers have to say about the LSX II LT. Powered bookshelf speakers that deliver big sound in a small package. I upgraded from an SVS system, and the difference is night and day. The KEF's wider listening area and powered design cleared up space on my desk. However, they lack Wi-Fi capabilities, so Bluetooth or wired connections are necessary. It's clear this user appreciates the compact design and sound quality, even if the lack of Wi-Fi is a downside. I tried these on my PC desktop and in my room with a Quba 8 sub. Compared to other KEF models and brands like Edifier, I found the LSX II LT lacking. The high-pitched sounds were harsh, and the value didn't justify the price. This review highlights the importance of personal preference in audio equipment. While some may find the LSX II LT lacking, others might appreciate their specific sound signature. I bought the KEF LSX II LT and Quba 10B for my home office. Setup was easy, and the sound was beautiful. The design is cool, and the price was right for me. However, controlling the volume via the app or remote can be a bit cumbersome. Overall, it seems users are impressed with the sound quality and design, but there are some mixed feelings about the value and usability. So, what's the final verdict on the KEF LSX II LT wireless hi-fi speakers? They certainly deliver on their promise of high-fidelity sound in a sleek, compact package. The Uni-Q driver array and Music Integrity Engine ensure accurate, room-filling sound, while the KEF Connect app offers extensive control and customization. However, the value proposition may depend on your specific needs and preferences. If you're looking for a versatile, stylish, and high-performance speaker system that integrates seamlessly into your home, the LSX2 LT is a fantastic option. But if you're more budget conscious or have specific audio requirements, exploring other brands and models might be worth your while. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth reviews and audio tips. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or if there's a product you'd like us to review next. Happy listening!